Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are starting the exercise 14.3 that is related to the translating two-dimension shapes. We have already done with the introduction of the translating two-dimension shape. Now we have very basic question here in this exercise. The question number 1 of exercise 14.3. What the question is saying? The question is saying the yellow cards show translation. These are the yellow cards A, B, C and D. These are the yellow cards. They are showing the translation like 4 square left, 1 square up, 4 square right, 1 square down, 2 square left, 1 square down, 2 square right and 1 square up. What we have to do, we have to match each yellow card with the correct blue card. What the blue card is saying, the blue card is saying that that what is the column vector related to A, B and C. So for this purpose, we have to just see that the column vector, that this is a column vector 4 and minus 1, 4 is positive. It means 4 boxes on the right side, 4 right and minus 1. The y is minus 1, it means we are going one time down. So 4 times the right and 1 time the down. Let me check A, B, C and D, which is the correct one for this one, this one. So 4 square right and 1 square down. It means the B is matching with the part 1. Then we have 4 times of right because 4 is positive and 1 time of upward direction. So let me check that if the B has done. So what is 4 time right and 1 time up? So it will be the second one is going to be matched with D. Then we have minus 4. Minus 4 means 4 time left and plus 1 means 1 time up. So let me check where we are having 4 time left and 1 time upside direction. That is 4 time left. This is 4 time left and 1 time. This is the third one. So we can say the third one is going to be matched with A and second will be matching with D and this is with 1. Now the 1 is remaining, obviously it will match with the C, but we will check. Minus 4 means 4 time left and minus 1 means 1 time down. So 4 time left and 1 time down. So the last one, that is the fourth one, the fourth one will going to be matched with C. Now we have successfully matched the yellow card and the blue card by using the tricks of the column vector, that how can it will move left, right, up and down. Then this is an explanation of question number 1 of 14.3.